It's not just muscle cars, sports cars, and pickup trucks at the Detroit Auto Show. Infiniti brought a futuristic concept car that shows the direction its design department will take in the coming years. The QX Inspiration is a design study that shows how Infiniti can design cars in the era of electric and autonomous vehicles. It shares almost no styling cues with current members of the Infiniti lineup. It also doesn't have a grille, and there is new Infiniti lettering in case you forgot the kind of car you're driving. Inside there is space for 4 passengers in a lounge-like atmosphere that's as luxurious as it is spacious. Infiniti has not released technical specifications. All we know is that the QX Inspiration is entirely electric. There is not a gasoline or diesel engine to be found anywhere under the bodywork. We don't expect the QX Inspiration concept will reach production as is, but certain elements of it could trickle down to production models in the coming years.